I can't see anything either. It's really bright.
Is it playing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. I'm trying to opening my eyes all the way, but
My eyes are watering really bad.
Oh, this is actually a really bad idea.
We're on my trampoline.
As you can see.
This was a stupid idea.
No, we had to take a kayak off of it. So
yeah, my dad's kayak was on here. Sounds really random, but it was.
Yeah, it was.
True story.
Has he been in this kayak
see
yet?
the camera. No, because he doesn't know how to get in it.
What do you mean he doesn't know how to get in it?
It's hard to get in a kayak. Like, you get in it and then it, like, tips over.
Oh.
You end up in the water.
So you have to have, like, good balance or something?
Yeah, I guess so. I don't really know.
It's complicated.
If you want to see
That
something...
piece of branch is poking me.
If you want to see something really funny...
What?
YouTube, people trying to get in kayaks.
Really? I haven't done that.
It's pretty funny. Maybe we should go do that.
That would be pretty funny. Have you seen, like,
do that later.
epic fails? Oh my goodness.
Epic fails are pretty funny. People
but they look so
injuring
scary.
themselves very badly while doing stupid things. I can't see the camera.
I can't either.
It's bright.
Okay, we should probably turn it off.
Okay, bye.